Hey guys, this is our read aloud for today called Kittens Autumn, because autumn is another word for fall, and that is the season that we are in right now. By Eugene Fernandez. This is a pretty book. Leaves tumble, kitten mews, porcupine snacks, chipmunk chews, hummingbird sips, caterpillar munches, rabbit nibbles, squirrel crunches. Fish gulps, bear licks. Deer grazes, raccoon picks. Beaver chomps, frog zaps. Skunk slurps, turtle snaps. Supper waits, fireside greets. Door opens, kitten eats. That is a sweet little book about a pretty fall day.